In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet backgrounds. If you want to make your video calls look cleaner, more professional, or simply a little more fun, changing your background in Google Meet is a quick and useful feature to know. It can help reduce distractions behind you, add a bit of privacy to your space, and give your meetings a more polished look. To get started, look at the bottom area of the Google Meet window where your call controls are located. Find the camera icon, and next to it, click the small arrow beside the camera option. This arrow opens additional settings related to your video, so if you don't see the background options right away, this is the place to begin. Once that menu opens, click on Background and Effects. This will take you to the section where Google Meet lets you customize how your video appears to other people in the call. Depending on your device and version of Google Meet, the panel may appear on the side of the screen, but the option name should be very similar. Give it a moment to load if needed, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. From there, select a background. You may see a few different types of choices available. Some backgrounds are simple images, while others may blur your surroundings or replace your room entirely with a preset scene. Choose the option that best fits the kind of meeting you're joining. For example, a simple office-style background may work well for work meetings, while something more casual could be fine for a personal call. As you click through the options, you should be able to preview how the background looks before fully continuing with your meeting. This is helpful because some backgrounds may look better than others depending on your lighting and camera quality. If the effect doesn't look quite right, try another option with a simpler design or better contrast. It's also a good idea to make sure your face is well lit and that you stay centered in the frame. Background effects usually work best when the camera can clearly detect you. If your computer is older or running slowly, some effects may take a little longer to apply, and that's all it takes. Open the menu beside the camera icon, go to Background and Effects, and choose the background you want. Once selected, your new look will be ready for your Google Meet call.